Hi, my name is Danielle Graham, and the app that I use for the app smackdown is Spock. For the usage, when I download this app, it allows you to track the crime in your area. It also gives you local emergency alerts in your area. It gives you dates and times where exactly the crime is happening in your area. And even if you don't want it to be in your area, it allows you to submit a crime tip for any location. And you can change your location to see where the crime is happening. At the top, you can search any address to see what is happening around and in that area. I chose this app because it is very easy to use and navigate. I went to the App Store and downloaded it. Anyone in the world can get this app and download this app. It also allows you to know when crime is happening and will give you good local alerts. It gives you a lot of information about the crime going on in the world, which I think is very important, and it allows any person to use this tool. This app will be good for future use because I want to be a forensic psychologist. Research is very important as a forensic psychologist. This app creates the basis of crime going in the area and allows forensic psychologists to have an idea of what area of the U.S. their patient is in and how crime can affect the mental in these areas. Because forensic psychologists take on the role of evaluating parties in criminal cases and mental health issues. So I believe this app will really help and give them great research because they look at human behavior and this app gives you what crime happens at what time and where. So it gives you a good start to figuring out the different factors that lead to crimes in certain areas. I think that at Stockton, it can be a great tool for criminal justice majors to read the crime on the map, and it's interesting to see what is going on near LA. But this app can be used for everybody, so I think it would be a great tool for Stockton students to use at school. It would be great to see what areas to not go that are near us, and it keeps us safer and it keeps us more aware of crime. The app also allows you to give tips on what crime is going on in the area, easily and anonymously, so I believe if people use it, Stockton would become even safer.